way we see it on internet. The least thing we can do on internet is to create something or to create something against somebody. In your iPhone and social media is what people post. What people posted on social media, and that is what we are going to analyze. There is a video trending online 8 hours ago. The video was dropped yesterday through one Reverend Father Nwebe Joy on a Lagos State parish. Happened to come from Anambra State, Nnewi South, and all my brother, happened to be my classmate in primary school those days. His mother is a teacher, and my own mother is also a teacher. Prosper can testify what I am saying, that Reverend Father Nwebe Joy is my classmate. In fact, he's my junior. Sorry to say that on social media. He knows. Mama Kuzirim, Mama came Kuziri primary school. So, God so kind, he's now a Reverend Father. Yes, glory be to God. There's a video he dropped yesterday that is trending online about His Most Holiness, Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Yeah? A lot of people had hints Evangelist Ebuka Obi. See, guys, let me tell you guys. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is a human being like me and you. Is a human being like me and you. There is a way we will be worshiping human being. Or the kasana. Also, there's a way we'll be, following human being. Or the kasana at the beginning. Or the kana a worship human being. I am the Christian. When if I get whip, can do mena nagarida afuzianyoro. Bible made us to understand that whatever you adore so much is your God. If you love your wife so much more than the way you love God, that's what your wife has turned to your God. If you love your pastor so much more than the way you love God Almighty, that your pastor has already automatically turned to your God. If you love money so much more than God Almighty, that money has automatically turned to your God. Or when if you know why I'm going to deliver this message for the fact that I am not offending anybody or insulting anybody. Yes, call me any name you want to call me, is none of my business. This message must be delivered, and I want you guys to share this message. The way unu si na eme ihe na anu ha ana ka akpotara your prophet or your pastor. Nti ga na asu wuru. Obuna most ladies today na ejo kata abu church goers. Na eme gini na ona abu na to has respect their father in the Lord. Now I say to her respect their husband. I'm a marital issue, a marital problem. Etu mwanyi si ejo kata bu church goers. Etu unu si na agbagari buru dariji onu nisi. Obunu unu si etu ahenye 10% atom of respect to your husband. Amana ebute family problem na church ka na settle. Now, Father Nwebe Joy, you go make a video yesterday. I am not here to tell you that my video made the right or my video made the wrong, but I want to bring out only one point from that video Father Joy made yesterday. Who could say the video is on internet? That's an evangelist abro virgin. Only a cool so I can an even not they against priesthood. To me, it looks like defamation. Yes, we said the truth. To me, that statement looks like defamation. Oh, you're saying now virgin. It's so heavy. Also, now virgin. Let it be him and his God. Now virgin. Man, now Father will be joy, but that boldly we quote that an evangelist are virgin and no with a point and no with a proof. Neighbor not what I thought. Okay, proof. In fact, he has accepted the challenge. That is not my business and that is not my concern. My concern and my business is this. Obrona Father Nwebe Joy, Monsieur video we free. Kana gagare in the surface of this country called Nigeria. Without being interrogated, without being questioning, without being called to order, without being, a question where or come prove without calling him to come and prove what he said, that he has evidence. Today that he will come and gain it and show the evidence. If Father Nwebe Joy did not call to come and provide his evidence, that means the judgment is not for the rich, but it's for the poor. A man until Oveti Kuru yet fake testimony, not under interrogation today. Until Oveti yet fake testimony, not under interrogation. I want for questioning. Which means I want to ask question. Onye Kuru say, not even putting allegedly. Father Joy goes with here allegedly. No Kuru say that's na Evangelist Ebuka no bro virgin and no you prove. Now probably obuno halfway. That means no ronya na atu egwu. Nwe onye de mma arrest. If I kita Father Nwebe Joy Kuru kita oruru ke ihe Ijele kuru is the same thing with what Ijele said. I'll wait for this very one. I go pursue until last. Video on this internet. As long as I do not defame you, if you watch me the same way I'm doing video, have you seen me put picture? I don't put person picture. Only I made a video can make with a video I may analyze, which is Father Nwebe Joy. I posted the video. I don't even put anybody picture to tell you that I know the law. I don't really see anybody picture. Only made a video can make it analyze. Okay, Father Nwebe Joy here. I will make sure now this Father Nwebe Joy now for questioning. Yes. I got already Father Nwebe Joy for questioning. I don't know what I got FCID Abuja. Ya be approve. We will put I order Father Nwebe Joy. I'm not this week and next week. I'm not order Father Nwebe Joy for questioning na Abuja. A man who wouldn't done atu egu. A man who wouldn't let me arrest because if I Father Nwebe Joy kuru, no an ordinary man who kure ade tiya ko jejua azaza. Ordinary man who kuri for kuruna. If I Father Nwebe Joy kuruna is nothing to compare that namadi bare self testimony self. Not even Sister Lovett did not come and say that na Evangelist Ebuka Obi merenka or no merenka. She did not lay allegation on Evangelist Ebuka Obi. She did not even want to near the man of God. She did not want to near the man of God. When you hear Sister Lovett against man of God, claim the testimony. No man again, no go on 300 million. Later it came to become lie. No matter Syria, now I may assume no some reverend fathers and priests and pastors send the Lovett. Who sent Father Nwebe Joy? Download the video because I'm going to be people might not be liking me if I started my broadcast, but as time goes on, you like my broadcast. Who sent Father Nwebe Joy? Can Father Nwebe Joy or born untouchable? Father Nwebe Joy has been doing videos, uncountable videos upon videos, and the Reverend Father Ugu, they have been writing all manner of write-up. Every Reverend Father has been writing all sorts, even Hannah writes without even fear. Hannah making na pafa. Father Nwebe Joy na pafa, pocha for kuno mad 10. That don't with evidence of 10 ladies. Onyama with something to do with. I don't want to support Father Nwebe Joy, and I don't want to care what he said. My concern is that if Father Nwebe Joy cannot come to Abuja, prove that means no one done at egu. A man who went down at egu. Even when Father Nwebe Joy Ikuru, it will be tagged as defamation of character because you were not there. The young man told you that he's a virgin. It is left for you to believe because in this way, I'm a virgin. Prove I'm a virgin. You will not buy me. Oh, I'm not sure again. God there. Father, Joe, somebody just joined video now. Ezi Kuku Guguaje, but my own very brother. Man, one man, one phone, Nakaibo. Joezi Kuku, na Father Nwebe Joy. I ain't have a primary school, no, primary community primary school, Mụnwa Eziku na Fada Nwebe Joy gụrụ na primary school. My mother kụziri Eziku na primary school. Mama Fada Nwebe Joy kụziri Eziku na primary school. Then my mother kụziri Fada Nwebe Joy na primary school. To tell you na ya bụ ụmụnne. So if that's na ọ bụrụ na Fada Nwebe Joy kwụsị okwu a na free, akpọ her for questioning na Abuja, etighị ire legal team, o nwere ihe ọ bụ na you are bringing problem to your home. My brother or my sister, why are you mentally deranged? That now you cannot allow the speaker to say something whether the person is making sense. Why not follow my live video for 10 minutes? Came on and make it sense. Am I coming here to tell you and I'm supporting what Father Mobejo is saying? I didn't support him. I will still do video about him. I will tell Father Mobejo face to face that nah, you're my brother. I did not support what you say. Oh, you're saying no, I'm virgin. I'm not virgin. Our mother, but I say no, go no matter testimony. 300 million. We believe her until the testimony cast. Testimony cast. Yeah, everybody folding came over. Mother saying no, go Lamborghini. It's left for you. Or what's I again? You no go in a dream or no go in Ife. So evangelist said that he is a virgin, which he don't have any right to come and be judging Evangelist Ebuka Obi whether he's a virgin or not, or what he said is not. Man, everyone a go kusio. Ebobu no onye testimony ye jenga. Ebobu no onye testimony that only he basara or she did not defame man of God. One, she did not insult man of God. Two, no only the testimony or fake. A Bobe for questioning. Bobe atoenga. Bobe me arrest. Actually, when you gave me that girl arrest, or in the owner, that person now. In fact, in the way the owner don't even have any right to arrest that girl because when on your mother's WCA state, WEA state in Enugu, that girl you make those people who state are promo made her highest promo. In fact, if you open a country law now or open a country where law, where investigation department, the people who the estate need to be questioned too. Come on, that girl. I'm an intelligent officer, and I'm an intelligent. I'm also a fast thinker. That is why they call me Facebook FBI. Mwa de heard him the girl interrogate. Mwa de heard him the girl investigate. Oye me first him the investigate. Put the owner of that estate to make sure no owner of that estate no one plan or deal how with that girl. Because if you look at that girl the rector. That girl the rector. Imagine now him investigate. Unu just na unu na hapo the maintain na pursue shadow. Saying no Reverend Father. Anytime Reverend Father we atom of anything to concern about that girl. Unu hapo everything na a follow shadow. No follow shadow. But the one you pass Reverend Father about that thing. Only you can ajubo onye with the state. Because obu na anya hapụrụ ekwuru na anya ukwu hapụ ngụkọsị hapụ maybe na onye a na-achụ or onye a na-achụ onye na-achụ mmadụ. Who told you that she's going nga? Say what? On enu mgbe ekwuru na ọ nọ na investigation department. Who na ha like him ebe say defense say guy mmadụ ole ka unu atọ dị nga ka a na-ekwu dị mmadụ ole ka a ga-atọ dị nga. How many people will in jail? When would the church started being this bias or whatever? No, you go say nga. Who is nga? Or what this country cannot go whatever also. Somebody cannot have right to say anything or quote his mind. So you put open Tinubu, every blogger will make a show during campaign. A man at the whole country would have been inside jail. On your go say challenge. Can you prove what? Or go on with the federal justice of the federation. Are you the one that installed Chief Justice of the Federation? Chief Justice of Nigeria or pastor or member of your church? Why every time the church that brag about nga so nobody have right to narrate video. Now can narrate your video or brunga? If I'm the one that will investigate that girl, I will call that girl or that girl or when or state na roko. Because he will get you the thing I'll put an eye your chapel. Probably it might be. So I'm not having any man name. And you try that girl, if that girl will keep on honor, you know, not with a deal with in this state. And we don't even right here to the girl in every continent of the world. Now, mind you, the testimony, later the testimony become fake. It is you and your God that will judge you. For the fact you did not defend man of God, you did not insult man of God, you just gave testimony. Do you know how many people that are coming to many states today are be giving testimony? Deeper Life Bible Church, a lot of people. By the my father they retreat. I retreat no if you ever want fake testimony, just call up the microphone, WF Kumuyi and Yokuchuku. Ndosha, chop potatoes, what the person send there out from the church. Can I tell you how many people have in a church fake testimony? And would they send there, I got a treat no week in a campground. I didn't see Lagos, I didn't see Anambra, they retreat in a campground and Badagri. About the Lagos, about the expressway. In getting a Lagos, ever. So I did a team. By my father, I got Deeper Life. Oh, when I made a treaty, and would they work in a why? No, Noka, Nazo Noka, Ebahan Akuiko. And they would have studied. Then they didn't Christian Church of God. And they make crusade for no, they would a brother and a sister ever Haparico. The only thing Pastor Enyeko has said, go from the church. Oh, what do you name the arrest? And then you fake testimony on daily basis in different churches. Nobody's going to arrest you. Now, money in a testimony, he put to no Reverend Father. Oh, Alamako. And your twins name it is not difficult for you. People go but as we love one another. We are in the Igbo and we are here to build Igbo land. I was very happy when the ministry come to Ngopala. Because it will bring development, which I follow to promote the ground. Man, I'm not the testimony as an argument again. No, where Father Obona said that girl. He may investigate of my own Gabrunde state, not aware. From today, from that time till now, in their state, that's the name of their state, they will now. A man, we're going to go on Ayazona because of the game. Now that girl they promote to that estate. Now the girl made a testimony. Koya kase ko bia zaza no nye the testimony ko nye the testimony ko bia zaza man and in the guno in the import no Reverend Father no onye one Reverend Father your wife na alamako we reflect here nke abo assuming but now the case don't carry come for your domos. Now we are watching you to know what you do here again. Father Nwebe joy game Father Nwebe joy pata zie ho ha gwagi bam. That's Nanyawa Kuru say, O may no write up, O made a video. Nanyawa Kuru, I don't want to bring anybody. This is my video. I don't want to bring anybody. I don't want distraction now. I will not, if I bring back now, you're distracting my video. Father, we better wait, but I will see you or they like Fadugu. Fadugu, they demede on a video. Father, when the better made video yesterday, 8 hours ago, we will say, Nanyawa Buja Father Joy could say, no more evidence of 10 different ladies. Now, boy, yawa, maybe approve, no, be proof, which is very, that statement alone, they go very heavy. An ordinary man cannot say that statement. An ordinary man cannot say that statement. Now, Father Nwebe joy could say, no matter what I say, you're a virgin, Obasarage. Each all is believe, each all, it happened. Then I say, what's going on? I have a virgin. Then I can eat it. Or Bruna or Father Virgin, Father again, Father Nwebe joy. Nabia, Kokowa, able to with evidence. A man, judgment here, now Mamibe, and dealing with no one in the way, and all for poor people. All for poor people. If somebody that gave, okay, it happened the other time, about 2-3 people want to give testimony. Oh yeah, say Jpac able to know Igbo state. As long as Igbo state, testimony, Cheregodi. Imagine on car that testimony on imagine on car the real testimony God is wero. But what is yoku? Without to arrest. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is still my senior brother. Is still a man of God. Onye me nke dị mma ya gwe nke dị mma onye me nke ọjọọ ya gwe. For now, Ebuka Obi emejobe. Mana area Father Jerome, Reverend Jerome, no we yesterday or day before yesterday, issue of legal team. Now be able to problem no such neke. Issue of legal team ye put a problem no such naked. Starting from when I was in primary school till date, Father Mbaka have never called police for anybody. That makes him okasiakase. That makes Father Mbaka okasiakase. Father Mbaka have never called police for anyone. Only when one woman potara that one I was even thinking that no ya ejegide ngano where a woman came boldly. Potakuru nwa so no Father Mbaka amuru de nwa made the video onewu na Father Mbaka amuru nwa onewu. I was even thinking that lady young in a prison by now. Father Mbaka, I ignored that lady because the God of Father Mbaka be consuming fire. One time for police, but the spirit on another spirit yen na so eje na another will deal with you. Nka one. There was a man and I bought from Enugu State. BBC radio. Or MC BBC. Parigide Mbaka o May volume 1, May volume 2, May volume 3. Ndema nashi wache ke. BBC abakana oza, BBC abakana oza nachi. Plate na aga ya, CD na aga ya. Father Mbaka na ere egwu adoration. BBC ana ere egwu, ana ere beef, on the beef Mbaka. All manner of info that young man could against Mbaka. Mbaka just making it by and get it. O topu hayonu. Can I go to the facts? As Apostle Dr. Suleiman, that lady, Berabia, defame more Suleiman, defame Suleiman. The only thing they defame that Suleiman sue for damages or lock her up or her in prison. Lazarus Moaka, Abroyono, Koyono, that's not getting mere. Na hana fake testimony. I go to where Potapa, I wear Agu command, Agu Webegini, Agu Eko, I hold the lion. I say, give me the gun, and give me the gun, and I use the gun. I say, what are you? Who are Omazi, where they make joke, where they make comedy, where they make all sort of things. Lazarus Walker did not do pim. Man, me here, Lazarus Potapa say at church, say, oh, when men shall review you, and shall say all manner of evil against you, rejoice and be exceedingly glad. Or but who say that na two years we drag here not or hang with more members. Now people who does not know law choosing, much mara law choosing. Can I go NMPDD? What God cannot do does not exist. Went to London for evangelism. Messiah miracle. People drag here that the miracle will be fake. Na miracle nothing na miracle they insulted Pastor Jerry Eze. So they said that they was insult. They was able to teach her at prison. Pastor Jerry Eze told his member, do not fight for me. Nobody fight for me. That's Ebuka. I'm here to tell you face to face. Legal team. Ebuka bad name. I'm not here to tell bloggers or to encourage people to start insulting you. Onye boge bubo. I don't support that. Man, if for legal teamer, that is where God wants to prove himself. All the more acceptable na made parege or bully DNA here boy. After all, I will be showing you people that cost people in the Bible. Elijah Boromadi on the Bible. Boy, on when they are telling him, Elijah, only same kwacha, Elijah, only same kwacha. No be ba he we or bo horn, ka agos ni mo emegene pota, dogusia, kush omere. Obo me all the man again. Why you did send in a basket legality? Because these few days now, you should be thankful that now the whole social media and making free adverts. This is called free adverts. Free adverts. Social media need no NTA, all the channel TV, everywhere need making free adverts. Or if you can work you way. Remove your legal team from your ministry. They are carnal. Let me tell you, they are carnal. They are carnal. They are not prophets. They are not evangelists. They are not pastors. If a hanobu, how can they push you, brother Ebuka Obi, lega, because Hana Chon Chageri. You cannot tell me that na legal team, they with a substantial amount of money, hey, around that thing, that legal. And with a substantial amount of money, and a job in Abuja, out of flight. And a G, all flights, Abuja. To register case in Abuja, and they make free, all money. All these people can push legal, because they put the legal. I gave this boss, I'm back away now. I gave this boss, Ego question I you charity. More men, some people, you know, no, legal. Hana trap, Hatchot, all the time. Hatchot, he all the time. Every time after that, only, as a man of God, it will be a very shameful thing that no one bro, neither spiritually inclined. Yeah, but na your domain. But na your domain. Now, what he gave me? Lega, police. If we want to imitate somebody, we should imitate that person from head to down. Father Mbaka still remain the best when it comes in terms of that area. Kedonye man of God in the go kata boroma the police or tirigi na lega. How can I say you to talk quiet, keep quiet, you talk too much? This is our problem. Ebe you who are saying about young Chineke. Ya broke me arrow to fight man of God. Chineke ko ni ojo. Whether it's fake or not fake, I can never speak ill against man of God. I can never. Man, if you don't arrest. Weapon a legal team. Listen diligently, hacking diligently unto the voice of this Reverend Prophet Jerome. Prophet Jerome. He said it all. Remove legal team. They are carnal. 1. They are not spiritually inclined. 2. They are not even basilica. They are there to support you, push you, legal, and they take bad name. And your child, Evangelist Ebuka Obi is a very good man. He's a very good man. I will not say evil against you. Very quiet human being. Man, people around you need to get advice. I'm not advice. Advice, I will not do you anything. Tomorrow, if you have problem now, they will run. Today, they are dragging you, Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Hana dragging up and down. Are they dragging legal team? No. Now you they drag. Who they push you? Legal team, not them. When you enter Wahala, people start to drag you. They will run. They go to drag you because if they are dragging legal team, no one legal team. Them legal team just a group, yes, just a teamwork. All when with one particular person with a name. Potara will go see when I am using the lega. At least I'm not dragging the person. When I drag the lega, no give a can drag. Ha push you okay, I will my mares. Kenya men interrogation. Give a can drag. How I not with their family. Then when I watch is again on Facebook. Ebana drag. So called legal team, most of them they want and I drag. And because na hatch can one steady, how can I say that you push na gonya na kutogo. Abuna ihe kwutoro Jesus Christ no wa. Kwutoro Jesus Christ, my Jesus I got abere. To mani enu ka undertaker ka Johnson na. Muni Jesus na erobe. Kai is na erobe kom. Were ntu totoro aka nka. Edo kuli si Jesus Christ aka everywhere wuro ogbu ube ni isi. Even when Peter said mma za totoro na nti makos. Za o sia Peter were mma gitinye na obo. No go aboro ogo anu ahu na mma. Remember this your video is in record. God punish your generation. Come on, get out from here. Before I'm telling you that I'm going to delete it. I say remember this video is in record. If you like, make it there for repeat. I'm only trying to bring this video to you. That's not for them will be joy. Naga or area ka prove ihe okwu. Because again, I am not in support of what Father Nwebe Joy kwuru. Mana ọ ga-abụ arụ na ọ bụ na Father Joy kwucha ihe niile a. You have to consider bringing people. Na ka ihe m bring now. Achọghị m ihe ya dọrọ this live video. Ọ ga-abụ arụ na ọ bụ na Father Nwebe Joy kwucha video a la free without being questioning. Mgbe ha ajụzie ese ihe o kwuru o nwere gosi the difference o nwere ihe gbara iche na with ihe ijele kwuru o nwere the difference between ihe Father Nwebe Joy kwuru na ife case this man na ife Sister Lovett kwuru ife akịta onye Nwebe Joy kwuru kịta o nwere the difference between ihe Nwebe Joy kwuru na ihe Reverend come in. I have already sent you request to come in join. Or will you hear the difference with here prophet Jerome Kuru? Hey, may God deliver us and give us grace to have common sense and understanding. My brother, I'm not dragging anybody. You say you are dragging cannot bring Ebuka Obi. Ebuka Obi is still my father in the Lord. To let you know that. My daddy in the Lord. So it's not only your spiritual father, our own spiritual father. Haven't you seen pictures of everywhere flying on the internet? My spiritual father is today. You got that? Madam, my way and Eziokwu. Who's here now talking to today? Daddy Ebuka Obi, web issue of legal. All these people in the video now had a American free promo. Free promo can emerge. One, web legal team. The day you were called by the Most High God, they did not call them. The day you were called, or the day you were anointed, they did not call them. They did not anoint legal team. The day God called you, He did not call you together with legal team. Legal team is just yesterday. Some people joined last year, some people joined last 2 years, some people joined last 3 years, and they form a group and name it legal team. I take God beg you. I know that you watched my video. And I watched my video. I will not insult you. I will not defame you. But I'm telling you the facts face to face. Remove legal team. If truly that girl was arrested, free that girl. Free that girl, that Lovett. She might not have somebody to, speak with her, speak for her. But if Lovett no gay person will go speak for her, just consider her that girl has joined your ministry started from 2023. All the prayerful, non-ministry 2023, 2024, 2025. Roughly 3 years. Can that girl on a ministry? Forgive that girl, let that girl go. Whether somebody send her or somebody don't send her, or that girl can on a detention, free that girl. Free that girl. Can the man say that drag again? I can never join anybody to start laying allegation on you. Ebunka. No. I will only bring video and smile over the video and post the video. I'm not afraid of any legal team. When I say Jpac, you're afraid of legal team. I'm not afraid of any legal team. The legal team should know that they are not called. The only place legal team was the buying of properties. I'm not saying that legal team, but in your job, every church was even lawyers. Yes, every church needs lawyers. If it doesn't have lawyers, a man in on an empty ground, in on a sinking sound. Every church needs one lawyer. Man, their area of their lawyer was able purchasing of property, signing of documents, helping the church ministry to collect CFO, buying properties and anything contained pertaining church. Anything, anywhere church with a property, they have to secure it. If somebody wants to come and another church, they are what belong to them. You can all have him again, EJ, Napota, property church. Many of them are spiritual, legal things should remove themselves from there. One. Secondly, Father Nwebe Joy kwesịrị ịdị prove that na ahụ kwuru na Abuja. Ọ kwụrụ ntu a kpam Evangelist Ebuka Obi akwụrụ face to face wee jụọ sị ya nna m Father Nwebe Joy mụ na ga-ebi n'ụlọ one mụ na ga ama anyị afụgo before why ji wee kwuo katamot ihe m kwuru na mụ esi na m abụrụ virgin ọ gị nwa bụ ka ọ na ọ bụ mmụọ. So ọ bụ na Father Nwebe Joy nọcha this week emeghe petition nọcha this week nwe petition on Father Nwebe Joy mmazie that na petition nwere dịka ọ dịka for the poor ka na-edere petition. No, church na-enwe lawyers. Say, why will church have lawyers? Yes, church na-enwe lawyers. Ọ bụrụ ihe ọjọọ. Having lawyers is not a bad thing. Church na-enwe lawyer. Church nwere property now. Or gị nwa ya eji insecure property give by yourself. All lawyers. Everybody nwere lawyers. I don't want to read that your comment. If actually the ego, I don't want to read your comments. I don't want to read your comments. I don't want to read your comments. So Tata Brogo Friday, Kaina Friday, Saturday, Sunday. By Monday, come on, I get a petition against Father Nwebe Joy. Over a petition against Father Nwebe Joy. A man, the petition is for the poor. Because true, petition is for the poor. If speed talent in Bananga, Kubana chief peace kure na bagari. This country we don't have law. I said no law in this country. Ade kusarogu ino person name. Eje ba bi na show no way. Nwura abe Jena Abuja debe Abuja on 40 days. The same thing how kuru oji Bananga 40 days. Ka Kubana chief peace kuru countable times. Kana agari. If una law and the is for the poor. Law is for the poor. You will die a shameful death. My brother, won't get poor me. From now till next 100 years, me and you go die. So you go die a shameful death. It depends how you go die your own die. Everybody gets how God planned saying go die. I know about to go on. So because I'm an again, no, you're better. I say you die a shameful death. Come on, there's open about. There's open a decade. Oh, you made a video about my brother, the same village. That friend for that my classmates. Age 1 year we talk about Father Nwebe Joy. Go and ask him. There was a time I made a video. Oh, he called my name. Age a year we talk Father Nwebe Joy. So don't look at him, no old man. About old man, he's a young boy. Come on, all his station. Only a bar hair like me. His mother, Kuziri in a primary school. My own mother, Kuziri Father Nwebe Joy in a primary school. The same village. Man one day why. Man one day why. So to tell you that now, even my own brother self, I don't even support him. I don't even support Father Nwebe Joy. If I have his number now, I go call up, tell him, say, nah, I don't support you. Abuja for questioning. If you have your evidence and proof, then good to go. Man, my brother Father Nwebe Joy. Hey man, now this law, when they were law. Hey man, the legal team is for poor. Legal team is not for the rich, man. Because the rich know how to maneuver everything. Poor people wear legal team because number one, they don't have money. Nobody will speak for them. A lot of things involved. They don't have contacts. But definitely, if you touch Father Nwebe Joy, even though you have touched the whole Catholic Church. The guy with Ngabasio, I swear. I don't know if you talk that way because AG improve. AG evidence. Even though I have proof and I have evidence, I don't know if you talk about because again, Oye go went back. They 100 million this a map of one of the case. So Father Nwebe Joy, you could get a lot free. Man, ordinary people who any testimony. Hey Jenga, John Omunajuju, is he good? Because I know so much that no one can Father Nwebe Joy will be. Or because no more evidence back up the too much. They might not be rich, man. How when I job back up? You no go feel question Father Nwebe Joy. Mark to this date. Highest will may open heaven. Highest will Father Nwebe Joy may open heaven. Or will may preaching, you know, go pass like that. Mbaka ya mana before mother ere Joey, o re si aja. O were oje si aja. Para Nwebe Joy ya were nwara Catholic Church. He touch ya Father Nwebe Joy. Catholic did this we are. So in as much as na Father Nwebe Joy you put you na free because her problem Sister Lovett. God still want to use that lady. In as much as the girl testify false and don't put her name papa. He have a dream. What a creature they want or the cadesnetico. Or by the cadesnetico say what you got. Neseka destiny one them sinaba lesus 550. On I go. Then watch a by lesus 550. Watch a by G God. Hey, what on go testimonies of our testimony of our testimony. Then we go testimony. The same bad is where I came. They want to say, nah, I want to buy house. You declare what testimony will not be in earth. Her name is Helen. He doesn't have able of it. Because how problem love it. God want to use her. That girl will later become a prophetess. I can't tell watch. That girl will later become prophetess, I swear. That girl will later become prophetess. Happen that girl, God want to use that girl. You know, in this life, Saul was arrested on his way to Damascus. Yes, Saul was arrested on his way to Damascus. And then above Egypt, and I got Damascus. The time I was passing by Damascus, and I said, okay, Eba, come Saul arrest from on his way to Damascus. Then a change is to Paul. So Sister Lovett was arrested on her way to testimony. And Daddy Ebuka Obi. Daddy, yes. You are saying my father in the Lord. At least evidence. Daddy Ebuka Obi, I'm your father in the Lord. Say yes, my father in the Lord. I have evidence. Evidence is internet. You have once prayed for me. You have once laid your hand on me. But that does not mean that na info I will not tell you. You pray for me, and I love that. But that does not mean because I have tried calling you several. The two of your number they pick call. They message on her. So I believe na that mean you will video send the other send a Jpac video Jpac. How send the other video? Name Crucio Uzayana Takanku. John that girl labor really that girl, let her go. But that girl, that may anointing no. That girl is a prophetess. When I was watching her video when she was praying, a very born prophetess. God will use love it mightily. But people might be dragging her, mocking her like this. This is the stepping stone of greatness. Nobody is going to curse. Curse is not for love it. I don't know her. She's a prophetess. She's a prophetess. So, when they can love it, do as much as you can to make sure that love it is free from now till Monday. I'm not giving you authority. I'm not giving you authority, but I'm giving you a brotherly advice. Pico, free love it. 1. 2, free Ijele. 2. Yes, Ijele is a human being. As no where I can see what I believe. Where I keep it. Dutch yet. Happy Ijele. I have my reason. Though, only come on our brothers and Giwaji, no bagona ndị ọzọ mana ọ bụrụ no ndị ọzọ jie, you still have rights and you still have power to make call. Gbọọ ha sị ya biko hapụzie n'Ijele, whatever it will cost I will pay. It will still draw more souls to God. Do you see me insult you? No. Na-agwa gị ife mma agwa gị face to face. Also ya bụrụ governor of Anambra State, Governor Soludo. If he doesn't pick my call, I'll come on live video. Where him my when you. Also, I'm not president. And do not neglect the word of another person, whether the person is a prophet or not. When David sinned against God, a prophet came to David, not minding that David is a king and that David with the right but David lie down bruntu huona hue. I'm just going to that Evangelist Ebuka Obi. You are a prophet of God. Manamana itoru beheka David in the Bible. Manamaneka itoru like David in the Bible. If David in the Bible, God's noble a man after God's heart. Kwaliko, kwasiaiko, buo mmade, raunye mmade. And he's a king of Israel. A king is like a president. Let's assume that na king, our president Tinubu, but he will be who Tinubu direct. Where see Nam live long. Nefi mere. A man Tinubu with the right. A one day, a dear, say lock holes on a map or say about origin prison. Mana is just like I'm using Tinubu as an example, or Dana, Yochkum Bagara, say God forgive me. Or if I can avoid if I get that. Forget about their condition. Evangelist Ebuka Obi with the right to call them, leave that boy. God, people will see reason to believe that you are a man of God. Why people are dragging you so much? I did not support what Ijele did. Ijele went too far, calling your name, calling your family name, calling every members of your family, which is very, very bad. But Nigeria not going back 2 years now. Buloneka one day or say 70 times 7 according to the Bible, 480 in a day. And I believe in a day, he carry 480 times. Or maybe video 480 times, all his video lifestyle. When the Bible says, how many times will a brother do to you, forgive us 70 times 7? That means you got to be forgiven every time. Today I forgive you, I forgive you. Because my heart is clean, my heart is pure. I sleep clean and pure because happy Ijele. Happy Ijele. I will tell you, with due respect, leave Ijele. There comes a time when Southeast governors and so many people, both Ohanes and Igbo, they are against Mazen Nadekano, Messiah, they still turn back. Both Ohanes, everybody in Ayozibiko, free Mazen Nadekano. He's our son. He's our brother. He's our husband. etu a ka ọ dị hapụ ijele ka Chineke dara mkpụrụ na Chineke dọrọ mkpụrụ obi wee nye onwe ọ taga afụfụ mbụ ijele, which I said I did not support him, mana ọ taga afụfụ. Ọ bụ na ijele nọrọ na nga nwụọ, what will be the preaching of the gospel of Christ? The preaching of the gospel of Christ or both not forgiving or unforgiving spirit. The preaching of the gospel of Christ, I did an Lenten season, and Lenten season is the time to concentrate and consecrate. Nda na Ramadan, oyo na fasting. Mama mmadụ onye mara ntụ ezi eme ka ọ dịrị ya mma ya mee ha nọ na Lenten period, and that Lenten period abro period of legating. Lenten period is the period of forgiveness, period of being close to God. Lenten season ajeje gbuo ntụ a anyị gburu signifies that na anyị nwa bụ ntụ anyị bụ aja na ntụ, and aja na ntụ ka anyị ya abụ wee nakwa. Nobody's going to carry mansion to heaven. Nobody's going to carry private jet to heaven. Nobody's going to carry G-card to heaven. Nobody's going to carry the church to heaven. I myself, I will not carry my wife to heaven. I will not carry my wife to or everybody of my family at the last day for the judgment. So I am on a Lenten period, which is fasting and prayer. Even if I am fasting 6 to 12 is fasting. I host 100 days fasting. They host 7 days fasting. They host 21 days fasting. Let all those fasting roar me mind with a forgiving spirit. Forgive one another as Christ gave command. Forgive one another. Somebody wrote, Ijele has kidney problem now. And these are the things with the unforgiving spirit. And in there, anya obrezioku, no bias, because of things I know. Give me that I happy Ijele. If only Igbo, he Ijele for complete 2 years. On Abuzonia also Ejin for 4 years and I complain about that is what I will see Joe. All but only Igbo ga-eji nwanne nwoke na prison on 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, and he could not be able to give order. Can one nigga put that on Abozi? And you were right. You want Dausa, Jin Nanekano say Dausa, Haponi Igbo. A Bob only Igbo one day never release his brother Boni Igbo. On Abonia house, I get released one day. If government, if Northerners can be able to hold your brother, Bunna Kano, and they never leave them. Kesi goes to dizzy, no Igbo, Jidoni Igbo, Jide Nana, GPM Ramo, Nana. If only Igbo did not forgive Oni Igbo, on Abonia also got forgive Oni Igbo, can use your brain. Ijele Ijele, what you did is bad. And then I didn't support you to insult anybody. Happen Ijele, happen in love it. Also, you are sweating. Now I'm training. Oh, I've been doing training before and joined their program. I'm a skipping rope. I've been doing training before I joined this live video. So don't say that I'm sweating under AC. Yes, AC is on, but because of I'm doing training, you know, I get myself in 60 days marathon training. Let me see whether this my tummy will go down, because people don't really insult me. People are going to insult when I'm my tummy. So, and as they insult me, I notice that they are saying good things. I need to be looking smart. I need to look smart. so that also su and warm out a lot. Believe in God. So ekuzara neme sweat under AC and my training. You go. You need to go hospital to show your nyash. Okay, no problem. Bring dates, time and venue. We'll go. Gladly go. I've gone on Lagos since now. Should I let them Lagos since? Come now, I Nigeria. The lady will say I go hospital. Go show I'm in Papa Nyash. No problem now. Let her come. And my boss. Of course, yeah, Abuja Biaka AJ test now. You know, because the test alone, you will not believe my own test. You will not believe my own test. I've gone on Lagos came. I'm available to come to Abuja anytime. I have apartment where I'm paying in Abuja. So Jpac go and test your Nyash. No problem. Bam venue. Pota. Let it be a competition. Ebo no Nigeria kita. Let her come. Come on in Abuja hospital. And I asked him, Jpac, when are you going to test your Nyash? I'm making the test today. Go see, will you believe the test? You will not believe now. Make the test today. They go see, look at my test result. You will not believe. Yes, no, no, I'm a doctor plan. So that's why I need your presence. I need her presence. Let her come. All the good petition represent. You must come to Abuja. Biak, I told him that test. I have Jenna National Hospital Abuja. Biak, the test. I did the test. Give one a jack and run dear. In order with the result. Doctor born you human again. So all the so Makande blog and download video, had download all this part. That now you could say, oh, I'm asking the IJ test, fish your mother, when you was a Jpac IJ test. Say, I'm from Nigeria. I'm a who on Abuja, now on Lagos. I stay 2 weeks in Abuja, stay 2 weeks in Lagos. Nchon na East. So if open there no come to Abuja, I'm available. Bia, if open no stop running. All this time you need to go in a hotel for hotel. No, it's not anything. Bia Abuja, I got National Hospital and get test. In fact, take me. I don't want to go to the hospital of my church. I will use your hand, provide the hospital, but you must be there. You are homo. Man, I'm married. Neze pastor advice. I pity people who carry the church in the time. None can we are still going to church today, go to hell straight. Many people who gave their life to Ekwensu is because of their paramount and no can have or come on again one Zibia with a contract. I don't know who because everybody got no matter to police now. Zibia will not call police to you, but no someone out of Bonago. Oh, yeah, Zibia, Zibia, no problem today. The only justice you want to do when the tat of woman when you got married or Jenny who are also 12 hours. O Jenny who are also 12 hours more bro, my Zibia. Man, only onye ụka nwee okwu or plan ọrụ ndị assassin agbagbuo ogu. If a difference now, nwa dibia ame agbagbuo ogu mana ọ ga-atụ na arụsị who believe the efficacy, who believe the power of the oracle, that the oracle will deal with you anytime of the church as long as aka dị ọcha. Mana onye ụka gị na onye ụka nwere okwu today kama onye complain to God ka Chineke jide aka gbaa ụgwọ ọ gbagbuo gị. Arrow dị n'ụka. Fear.